It has been raining a lot this winter here, and one of the things I want to do this Easter before we leave is to pump the water out of the old swimming pool. I'm hoping that it will reduce the amount of mosquitoes we have in summer. We'll see. I have minimal tools here at the moment. So I had to improvise a little. We bought a pump actually on the way. So this is a house, and if we turn around, this is where the pool is, as you can see in the background. And I'll show you. The little door, and it's all completely wild. The terrace doesn't look like a terrace at all. And here's the pool. Yeah, I know. And I've already set the pump up with this funny assembly. We'll see how it works. Okay, I've connected the electricity. Let's have a look. So it seems to be working. And here we go. The house has a very beautiful garden, which was one of the reasons why we decided on this house. In front of the house is this nice place to sit, especially when it's hot. It's very nice because in the afternoon it has shade. And let's walk around the house. This is the northern part of the house, where we actually have a little bit of a grass area and then trees all around the perimeter and the border of the property. And very close to the house here is the pool, which isn't in its best state, but it's actually a very nice spot for the pool. We're now going around the corner to the west side of the house. Last year we were here on holidays, and because we have very few working toilets, we made or built a little compost toilet, and we made a little bamboo hut for it, which doesn't look very pretty right now, but it was working very well actually. Eventually it will move somewhere else. So this is actually where the property ends. So you can see there's not much space to the house on this side, but potentially a very nice view over the fields and the forest to the west. We're now walking towards the southern side of the building. And you can already see that This is a completely different setup because it's all bamboo. And we've already taken down some of the bamboo, but there's still almost a little bamboo jungle. And next to the building here is a little shed. And here the former owners stored some wood, and the sewage system is here. These concrete structures are obviously not original, and they were built to support the house because it has no foundations, no proper foundations, and so there was a risk that it tilted here, and so they added, I think it's 4 concrete pillars to support the house. Yeah, we're now at another entrance to the garage that we have seen from the inside already. And if we go around here, we finished our tour around the house. The garden is pretty wild. The former owners planted a lot of trees, a lot of plants that we don't even know what it is. Some of them are very, very beautiful. Sometimes it seems a bit much, but all in all, it's a very, very green place. That was the garden that surrounds the house, and there's another big part of the garden that sits a little bit higher, where the entrance to the property is and a garage is. And let's go and check it out. In the upper part of the garden, we have a garage that we might use as a workshop or to store materials, and the driveway, and then the large garden. Right now, a little bit of a playground, and it has huge trees and a lot of space basically still untouched. The former owners put electricity and water to different spots of the property. We might use this as a place for tents, or if somebody comes and visits in a mobile car or something like that, a caravan. It's 2 days later, and let's have a look at the pool. Not empty yet, but almost. So that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the garden. Join us next time when I'll compare the house to a 3D model of what we want the house to be one day.